Welcome back. In this video and accompanying workbook, we're going to be talking about additional living expense in the homeowner's policy. As always, you should read your own policy and follow its instructions over these generic guidelines. Let's begin by understanding what additional living expense coverage is. Additional living expense is one of several loss of use coverages found in many homeowners' policies. Also included within the loss of use coverages are fair rental value and civil authority. In this video, we're only going to be working with additional living expense, which is also sometimes known as ALE. When your home where you reside is rendered untenable in whole or in part, ALE reimburses you for those additional expenses you incur to maintain your normal standard of living. This includes, but is not limited to, alternate living arrangements while your home is being repaired, the additional cost of dining out, the extra mileage you put on your car, so on and so forth. In order to determine how much to reimburse you, the insurance adjuster must first understand what your normal cost of living is. To make this determination, the adjuster will ask you questions about how you spend your money. For example, they may ask you how much you spend on groceries, how many times a week you eat out on average, what your utility costs are, etc. This information will be used to develop a baseline picture of your normal expenses. In the adjustment of your ALE claim, the adjuster will add up your total expenses and then subtract from that your normal expenses. As you can see, if you overestimate your normal expenses, you will get shortchanged on your recovery. Here are 3 guidelines to help you navigate this coverage. Number 1. Don't overestimate your normal expenses. If you don't know the answer to the adjuster's question, find out first and then answer. That way your answer will be accurate. Number 2. The standard for additional living expense is expenses you incur to maintain your normal standard of living. If the adjuster wants you to reduce your normal standard of living, then negotiate for added benefits elsewhere in the claim. And number 3, make sure you keep receipts. Most companies will not consider an ALE claimed expense that is not backed up with a receipt. There's more on additional living expenses in the workbook. I hope you found this helpful. This is Benefit Bill bringing you information that you can use to take charge of your claim for greater gain. Have a great day.